Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make this very cool, cozy, rustic fireplace setup in Heartopia. So we are going to get a wall first. Wait, I think it's better if I do it this way. Like this. And then I'm just going to do 5 here. And I want to change the color of the flooring, so that's what I'm going to do first. Kind of want like a terracotta red vibe, but I'm not sure if we're gonna get that. So let's see if we have something similar. Maybe this. I might change that later, but we're just going to add flooring here. And then we're going to push the wall back. And then for the wallpaper, we are going to use this. I don't know why I said wallpaper so weirdly. Where's the bricks? Okay, we're going to use the bricks, but I guess you can use any wallpaper you want later on. I don't know if I like that flooring with this, but I'll change that later, guys. It's fine. And then we're going to extend our walls. So we have more here. Like so. Then we're also going to extend our flooring. You will need like 3 more, so place one up here, one like down here, and then one again like here. And then we will need the half walls, so we're going to grab that and we're going to paint it first using this. Same bricks. You can change the bricks again if you'd like to, but I'm just going to stick with this one. And I'm also going to remove that. Then we're going to go to furnitures. We're going to go to the rustic fireplace one. Hopefully you have this. If you don't, then sorry, but that is it. I'm just going to decorate and I'll be right back with the finished results. Oh, actually, before I decorate this, I forgot one thing. You'll need these pillars that look exactly like the wallpaper, and we're just going to place them here. I was like, I forgot something. Okay, now I'm going to decorate this, guys. And here is the finished results of the fireplace. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!